Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I have a lot of shit to do this Friday. A lot of shit to do for tomorrow. Anyway, first of all, fix this toilet. These children are broke. Ain't bad shit. Anyway, it's fucking cold, you guys. Like cold. Like frost on the ground cold. I think it's like 20 something degrees. It's 23 degrees outside. It's fucking cold. Ooh, and tomorrow is supposed to rain. I hope the temperature go up and might snow. Don't know. Don't know if it's gonna snow or not. I have to clock into work. And hold on, let me put y'all on the tripod. Got y'all on the tripod. And so I got a few minutes before I'm clocking to work. I'm about to call FedEx. I'm over these packages. I'm over them. They text you and tell you it's on the way, and then next thing you know, you don't see shit. Like, I'm over it. I'm over this shit. Anyway, let me call these folks now, guys. So I got off the phone with Best Buy, and they refunded me my shipping price because I paid for expedited shipping, and the bitch is not expedited. I called FedEx, and they was like, they didn't pay for expedited shipping. They paid for ground shipping. I was like, nope. Y'all motherfuckers can give my money back. I paid all that money, and you didn't do it express. Nope, he refunded me my money. Sure did. So hopefully my package will be here today. I don't know. I'm over it. Anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update on that. I'm gonna get back to work, and I left my other glass in my room. That's why I got these on. But I'm about to get my ass to work. I got a lot of shit to do today, so let me just get on it on this Friday. Let's see if I can get my whole life. I'll be back. All right, you guys, Jalen clearly trying not to go to school today on her last day of school. It's your last day. You might not even have that much for real. You might not have nothing. Anyway, guys, it's what time is it? What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. Is it not even 9 o'clock yet? I don't think. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 8:55. So I've worked on some stuff. It's still cold outside, y'all. It's still only 30 degrees. This morning, like I was 23. Anyway, so what I need to do today is a lot, you guys. I need to clean up everything today. I'm making it my mission. I don't care. It's just gonna have to get done. The first order of business is to do laundry. Do you see all this? This is all dirty laundry. Dirty laundry. Laundry that is dirty. So I need to get I'm trying to get y'all situated. Clearly I'm working shit correctly. So I need to get, so I started yesterday, if you guys saw. I did wash the towels. I know, I'm so country, in the house, but now I need to, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my white clothes first. But I need to empty out my basket so I can sort my clothes out. So I'm about to do that right quick. And I know y'all want to see all my undies, so we're not gonna show that, but I'm just gonna sort out all of my light colored clothes, and then I'm gonna take them and put them in the washing machine. So I have more dark clothes in the wintertime than I do light clothes, and then it's opposite in the summer. I have more light clothes than dark clothes to wash. So I usually wash the smallest loads first. Usually. Just go through and make sure. I go through the clothes twice to make sure I didn't miss any clothes. But usually I still find something I missed, which is crazy. But I do it anyway. think I got everything. It's white clothes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this stuff in the washing machine.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the
I definitely need to go and stock up on some washing stuff because this is my last little one. And to tell you the truth, I don't like these little beads, so I don't think I'm going to get these anymore. I don't know. I don't really, I can't never get them dissolved correctly. Alright, I'm going to let those clothes wash. I guess I need to bring the basket back to my room, put dark clothes in them and bring them back. Let's do that. So at least when they get done, they're already in there for me to. I probably have to wash my dark clothes in 2 loads because there's so many. There's so many. It's a lot. It's a lot. Eat a lot of stuff. Eat a lot of stuff.
Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Look at that, fill up the whole basket. It's like that sometimes. Just do laundry for the rest of our lives. Why not? Let's go. Let's go laundry. Alright, let's get back to work. Now that we got the laundry settled, I actually need to find me something to eat. Probably make me a bagel or something, I don't know. Find me something to eat and I shall return.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
12 o'clock and I'm about to head out to this local store and see if I can find a damn toilet handle. And then also stop at the Dollar General and get some more washing powder. So let's prepare to leave his house. Loser.
You going to the store?
Yeah, go get a handle for y'all little tan up children. Destructive asses. You didn't want to ask me, where you going? To fix what y'all told the fuck up. Where I'm going. To spend their money. Well, I should make their ass pay for it. Goddamn kids. My keys in here. Jesus. Where are my keys? Please let them be in here. Yep, there they are. On the floor. Of all places. On the flizzo. Trash together so I can throw that away. Where did the screw come from? Oh, there go my water bill I was looking for yesterday. I knew it was in the car somewhere. My water bill was only $12. Because like I said, I had a credit. I wrote them a $60 check, so that credit should last a little while longer. Ooh, it's nippy out here. It's little 48 degrees. This little heat. Let's put on our little booty warmer. I don't have you guys on the mount, so I'll be back. Guys, I got a new handle for the toilet. This time I got the one that's metal, so it cost me like $8 and so. Not too bad, but still, children always cost me money. Damn kids. Anyway, I'm headed back to the house. It's 12:38, so I gotta be back by 1. So good timing. So I'm just about to head my little happy ass back to the house. Fix the toilet for the rest of my lunch break, I'm assuming. So anyway, I will just see y'all when I get home so y'all can see me fix this toilet. Y'all don't want to learn how to fix a toilet handle. Not that hard. It really isn't, but hopefully they can't tear this shit up. Jesus. Since it's metal. They tear it up as metal. They getting a foot in their ass. I'll tell you that. That's what they gonna get. That's the next thing you gonna see them getting a whooping at 21 and 14. Sure live. Anyway, see y'all later. And today they gonna come in here and clean this bathroom is what they don't know. Well, that's what they finna find out. Cause they gonna come in here and just deep clean this bathroom today. Sure am. Not fucking with them. I was just thinking about it. I was like, I need to deep clean that bathroom. But I'm gonna stop enabling their asses. They finna come in here and clean this bathroom today. I don't care if they feel like it. I don't care if they want to. I don't care if they whine, cry, or cuss, whatever the fuck. They doing that shit today. So let me go ahead and let these little lazy asses know that they need to get their shit together. Anyway, I gotta get back to work, so I'll check in with you guys later. I am off work. It's 4:09. I didn't give them not 1 second. I've been off at 4 hit. So like I said earlier, I'm gonna get my life today. So we're gonna start in the den. We're gonna start in the den, you guys. Getting cleaned up. It's not gonna be too much cleaning in the den because for the simple fact that we cleaned it up when we decorated for Christmas. And like I said, nobody's been in here. We haven't been in here at all. Should have started a damn fire as cold as it is in this bitch. I need to go out there and get some firewood and get some kindling and start a fire. Our Christmas tree looks so short this year. It is actually shorter than we normally get it, but it's still so nice and fat and fluffy. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I turned the fan off. Is it off? No. I turned the fan. Sorry, y'all can't even see me. I turned the fan off because I'm gonna get up here and clean it right quick. Clean the blades and just, you know, spruce it up. And then I'm gonna move this chair out of the way and just clean. You know how you have to take the cushions up and clean the couch? I'm gonna do that. And then I don't have to do any wiping down or anything. So like I said, we did all that already. So there's not really anything I need to do too much in here. I might need to do a little bit of sweeping. That's about it. We'll be in here next week, but we won't be in here this week. I'm sure it ain't trying to come in here. I'm gonna get my stuff to clean with.
I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
Dinner done. Turn the tree on for some kicks for the night. Kitchen is clean. I'll probably take that stuff out to the shed tomorrow. I need to put it all by the back door, but I don't want to block the back door. I actually need to tidy my room some. I need to wash my sheets and change them out. I need to go get some more washing powder. So I might run up to the Dollar General right quick and get some washing powder so I can continue my washing. I need to clean my ceiling fan blades. I need to clean up my bathroom.
On a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gone.
Okay, so I can wash this in the wash machine. It says wash it. Don't use any fabric softener. Then I gotta remember to change my settings on my dryer because it says to dry it on low because it'll probably shrink. Because it has like a dry wick thing to keep you, like, if you sweat a lot, it'll keep you, and it keeps your mattress just clean. As you see, I've had this mattress for almost a year or two, pillow top, and I've never taken that mattress cover off of it, so it's actually really, really clean. So I'll probably wash that next so I can go ahead and get it washed and cleaned before doing my dark clothes. But I put a fabric softener in that thing. But is it fabric softener or is it an odor memorizer? Let me go read and see what it says. Because if that's, I don't want to mess it up. So if it's not a fabric softener, if it's a fabric softener, then I'll wait to the next cycle of washing. So let me go read what it says, and then now I have to wait to make my bed till that's finished washing, because I don't want to sleep on it without the protector. But I do want to turn it around. You know, I turn it around almost every other week or so, just to not wear out one side of my mattress, because it does conform to your body, as you know. So yeah, I'll be back. Some kind of fabric softener, so I'm gonna wait. So I put in a load of dark clothes. I just woke them kids up and told them to go out and clean their damn bathroom. I'm not doing it. So they clean up their bathroom with the Comet in the scrubber. Just gonna throw my pillows and stuff back on my bed. And then like pull my covers back up on the bed so I can clean off my couch. And I need to get a new duvet cover for this thing because I messed this one up, but clearly we're not doing that no time soon because I'm not ordering shit else online. I'm telling y'all that now. Ordering shit online is for the fucking birds. Okay? For the birds.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful.
Alright guys, that's all I can do right now until my mattress cover gets ready and whatnot. So I'll be back a little bit later. Promise.
Sitting on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Alright guys, it's super late. I fell asleep, but I'm up. It's like 11 o'clock or so, and so I'm still washing clothes. So I'm just gonna probably put some stuff over my bed and go to bed because I forgot about that thing and it's in the dryer now. It's gonna take a long time because you have to dry it on low heat and it's pretty wet because I guess it couldn't like get all the water out because it's not fully fabric or whatever. But I'm about to go to bed, so I will see you guys in the morning. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Bye.
Kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.